is Zoe from ENGYPRINT. Let me introduce how we choose a suitable pad printer for our clients. There are three very important points. The first one is the product size. The second point is the printing size. The third point is the center point of the logo. For example, this product. By this direction, like if the printing logo is on here, you can see the pad movement distance is not enough. Let me show you. So we change the direction from this side. Let me show you. This direction from here, you can see the pad movement distance is good, but it's only suitable for printing one color. If you need printing more than one color, this direction is not works.